Earlier, we covered the traditional classification of accounts. And under the traditional classification, there were three accounts: personal accounts, real accounts, nominal accounts. Now, we move forward to modern classification. Modern classification is also known as American approach or accounting equation approach. Under the modern classification, there are five types of accounts, namely assets, liabilities, capital, income revenue gain, expense losses. Liabilities are also known as external equity or external liability. Capital is known as internal equity because it is related to the owners of the business, or it is also known as net worth. So, under the modern classification or American approach or accounting equation approach, there are five types of accounts: asset, liabilities, capital, income revenue gain, expense losses. For example, suppose we have been given machine account. Identify which account is machine account. That is, identify the nature of machine account. Machine account happens to be asset. Suppose we have taken bank loan. Now you need to identify which account is bank loan. It is related to liabilities, right? Suppose business has borrowed funds from the owners, right? So capital. Business has sold goods, income revenue gain. And business paid salary to its employees, expenses. Goods lost by fire, losses. So there are five types of accounts under modern classification. I know you all are brilliant. Comparing the traditional approach and modern approach, you can conclude that under the traditional classification there were three accounts: personal, real, nominal. And under modern classification there are five accounts. So sir, can we conclude that traditional classification is incomplete? No mere bachon. Both traditional classification and modern classification are perfect. So why there are three accounts under traditional classification and five types of accounts under modern classification? Let us understand the reason behind it. Suppose in a school there are 100 students, right? And there are 3 classrooms, and all the students were made to sit in 3 classrooms, and is consisting of say 30, 30 and 40. Tell me, how many students are there in the classes? A total 100, right? But they were made to sit in 3 classes. Now, suppose there are 100 students and there are 5 classrooms. Okay? And all these students, 100 students, were made to sit in 5 classrooms. Say 20 in each classroom. Tell me now, how many students are there in the classes? Total in the school 100, right? तो दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या था? दोनों में डिफरेंस था, in the first example there were 3 classes, in this there are 5 classes. But tell me, how many students were there in the first example? 100. And how many are there in this example? 100. तो उन्हीं 100 स्टूडेंट्स को 3 क्लासेस में अकोमोडेट करो, या उन्हीं 100 स्टूडेंट्स को 5 क्लासेस में अकोमोडेट करो. तो ट्रेडिशनल ने सारे अकाउंट्स को 3 क्लासेस में बांटा है, 3 टाइप्स में, और मॉडर्न ने उसको 5 टाइप्स में. अब देख पाएंगे, अगर डिटेल में हमें स्टडी करना है, एक एक के ऊपर ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है, तो मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन इज मच बेटर. सो माय रिकमेंडेशन, दो both traditional and modern classification are perfect, I suggest you to follow modern classification. And second important point, actually there are 2 methods of classification, traditional and modern. But as a secret, मैं आपको ऐसी चीज़ बताने जा रहा हूँ जो बहुत कम स्टूडेंट जानते हैं और बहुत बेसिक चीज़ है. ये ट्रेडिशनल क्लासिफिकेशन या मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन आया कहाँ से? आपने सुना होगा, एक कहावत है, सबका मालिक एक, उसके रूप अनेक. हम सबका मालिक ईश्वर एक है, लेकिन उसके अलग अलग रूप होते हैं। सुना है आप लोगों ने? ठीक वैसे ही ये क्लासिफिकेशन अलग अलग प्रकार के हैं, लेकिन चाहे वो ट्रेडिशनल क्लासिफिकेशन हो या मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन, उनके पीछे एक ही रीज़न है। कौन सा? लेन देन। तो मैं मजाक में कहता हूँ, एक है ट्रेडिशनल रूल, एक है मॉडर्न रूल और एक है अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न रूल। सर अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न रूल? सिद्धार्थ सर का रूल? कौन सा रूल सर? कि कोई रूल नहीं है, केवल एक ही चीज़ है, लेन और देन। आपको लगता होगा मजाक, लेकिन नहीं, ये जो ट्रेडिशनल क्लासिफिकेशन एंड मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन है, उसके बेस में वही है लेन और देन। उसी लेन देन से ये ट्रेडिशनल क्लासिफिकेशन भी बना एंड मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन भी बना।